Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another episode of Junk Journal July 2025. Let's grab our junk journals and get creative for day 18 and the prompt of torn. How are you guys all doing? Sorry for the super late upload today. I had to go to the vet with my cat today and did stay up all night with him because he had some troubles breathing, but he's feeling better now and hopefully it will get better throughout the day. So that's why today's video is a bit late, but sometimes life comes into the way. So we're doing just a quick, fun little spread for today's prompt of torn and create something to just stick with the challenge. Here I decided to use this music sheet page and just rip it kind of in half. I just ripped to the middle, tore it apart to the middle of the page and then folded it over to create like an opening in the spread and add something on the back side to create a super simple spread for today's prompt. Now let's add something underneath. I did get out some fashion magazines to find the right picture for inside the torn paper in a way. And I didn't really know what I was going for. Just wanted to make it quick and easy, and then I came across the come together spread here and wanted to include that, but leave it for later. First, let's find the picture as the main component of today's spread. And I decided to use this girl that I already took in part of the spreads in my junk journal, so kind of make it a bit cohesive in a way. I thought just someone looking out of the page here would be fine. So now I'm just tearing the page to the right size to make it fit the journal. And hopefully we will be back to some more elaborate pages tomorrow and everything has cooled down and is fine again. I really hope so. It's kind of, if something in your life goes wrong like that, then art really doesn't stay the main priority in a way. I feel like my own creative projects are the first things that fall to the wayside, which maybe is fine because that's the part that I can completely control on my own. But I really want to try and not leave you all guys hanging with today's spread. We challenge ourselves, or I challenge myself, to keep it simple for today. And to be honest, I'm really happy with how in the end this super quick page turned out, so it's fine. Maybe it's a lecture for myself. Maybe I should start and, I don't know, use a little timer for myself to challenge myself to see what I can come up with in a specific amount of time. But maybe that's a challenge or a project for when we're done with the Junk Journal July. Maybe then we can see what I can do in, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. Maybe we also could do those junk journaling spreads in real time. Would you be interested in seeing my real-time junk journaling process, or do you prefer the more edited version? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear your ideas and opinion on that. I hope you had fun with today's prompt of Tor in your own junk journal, and I hope you're still going strong with the Junk Journal July prompt. Here also tore out the come together spread. Everything is torn today, and I feel like I'm also a bit torn on the creative part, but I think it's natural. Something else is going on in your life, and sometimes your other parts have to step back in a way. Hope I will be back on track tomorrow. Now let's add our typical label for the day with the prompt of the day, and then we're nearly done already with this spread. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative journey and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.